Hi, this is Max from arbitragehero.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can use SellerAmp SAS application to scan products for retail arbitrage. So when you go to stores, you can use that application to find profitable products that you can sell on Amazon. As you can see on my mobile phone, I have SellerAmp SAS application running, and what you need to do, you need to simply press scan button in the bottom. Then you will need to point application to the barcode, and then application will go and find the product on Amazon, so you can enter the price, which I have already entered, and you can see that at the moment I can make 181% ROI, and the profit would be £21, which is pretty good profit for the product. You can also see that this particular product has pretty good sales rank, which is 61,000, and this 61,000 for toys is pretty good. So I would personally go and buy that product to sell on Amazon. The usage of this application is pretty straightforward. It is very similar to Amazon seller application, and the only difference here is that with Amazon application you can scan packaging as well as barcodes. So with SellerAmp SAS you can only scan barcodes. But it is very useful application, and it provides you with more features which you can use for your retail arbitrage, because it allows you to analyze products right on the spot when you scan them in the stores. As you can see, if you scroll down in this application, you can not just see the sales rank and your profits, but you can also see Keepa chart, so you can see the history of that product, the history of sales rank, the history of prices, and you can also see if that product sells in other marketplaces, and if you sell there, you can also see and estimate your profits there as well. So as you can see, this application is very useful, and I would definitely recommend you to try it out. I will put a link below this video so you can try it for free. At the time of the video they had 14 days trial, so you can play with it, and if you don't like it you can always cancel it. But it is definitely worth trying that application because it provides you with a lot of useful information, and it is going to help you a lot in your retail arbitrage. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.